Today we are going to talk about the reservation system in India. Should the caste-based reservation system in India be abolished? Has the time come that India lets go of the caste-based reservation? Now, in order to understand this, I would like to mention one very important point. At the time when the caste-based reservation system was introduced in India, it was said that it will be reviewed after every 15 years. But till now, it has never been reviewed. Now, in order to understand the caste-based reservation system, let us assume a scenario where a child A belongs to a scheduled caste community and a child B belongs to the general quota. Now what happens, let us assume that child A has scored 73% in class 12 board exams and child B has scored 95% in the class 12 exams, and the cutoff for the general quota is 97 and the cutoff for the SC quota is 70%. Now what happens? This child scores 73% and enters the prestigious college, whereas the general quota, who has actually studied well and has scored more than the SC student, actually doesn't get admission in the college. And here I was assuming that the economic status of both of them was exactly same. Both of them had access to good schools, good quality education, access to books and every facility. Both of them belong to the same middle class families. Isn't this an injustice to this student who has worked hard and scored 95% and yet was unable to secure a seat in the prestigious institution? Now let us assume a scenario where both person A as well as person B belong to the SC community. Now person A belongs to a rich family, has access to every resource and scores 90% in the examination. Whereas person B belongs to a poor family, does not have access to resources and scores 70% in the exam. Now what happens is, person A, suppose the cutoff for the SC community was 75%, person A is able to secure admission whereas person B is unable to secure admission because he has scored 70%. So within a class also there are different economic groups. Some people within a class are rich, within a caste are poor. So the person, for example person B, for whom actually the reservation system was put in place, is actually not receiving any benefits of it. Because now in the present times, every caste has poor and rich people, and the people for whom this reservation was there are not getting the benefits. Now I'll put a fact which will leave you surprised. At the time when the first census of our country took place in 1881 by the British government, people did not associate themselves with castes. Majority of the people didn't even know what caste is. And what has happened is, because of the benefits that people see of these reservation systems, many communities have started to ask for reservations, like the Jat agitation in Haryana in 2014, when the Maharashtra gave a 16% reservation for the Maratha community, which was ultimately stayed. But what has happened is, we should be moving away from reservation. Instead, other communities have also started to ask for reservation. In one of the famous judgments, the Indra Swamy judgment, the Supreme Court had said that at most 50% seats can be reserved for all the communities or the caste-based reservation. What has happened is, even 50% is too much, because if you reserve 50%, what is left for the general quota? Only 50%. And there are various poor people who belong to general quota as well, who do not have access to resources and should actually be given this benefit instead, and they are ultimately more lagging down. So poor and rich people belong to every community and every caste. So what is the solution? In my view, this caste-based system should be abolished. Instead, what you can do is, you can identify which section of the society does not have access to proper resources, to proper coaching, to proper education. And then you can provide proper books, educate facilities, free education to the people who cannot afford it. And then have a level playing field for everyone, so that every person, if he has worked hard, achieves and gets admission into the prestigious institution or clears a particular exam. So by giving the facilities, you are bringing everybody on the same level playing field. So in my view, this is a better way to the reservation system, as it's been more than 70 years of our independence and it's time that we remove this system.